Hi, I'm Tom Lydon, editor of ETF Trends, here in Chicago at the Morningstar ETF Conference. And I'm here with Ken O'Keefe, Managing Director and Global Head of ETFs at FTSE Russell. Ken, great seeing you.
Good to see you too, Tom. Pleasure to be here.
I'm holding a new special report that you guys put together. Some dynamic research about SmartBeta and how advisors are embracing SmartBeta. Tell us a little bit about what this says.
Yeah, it's a very interesting piece of research. We just recently released it. It's looking at the uses of SmartBeta by financial advisors, their awareness of the products, and how they're using them in their portfolios.
What are some of the numbers telling you as far as adoption recently among advisors?
So SmartBeta is alive and well with financial advisors. Over 68% of financial advisors are already using SmartBeta in their portfolios. And of those who don't use SmartBeta already, 89% are interested.
And does it give any more information about how are they going about it? How are they researching? Are there how much research do they need to do before they actually make a purchase? Those types of things?
All great questions. So yes, this piece of research answers many of them. So including how are financial advisors looking at SmartBeta? They look at SmartBeta very similarly to the way they look at actively managed funds. And that's revealed by why they use SmartBeta. They use SmartBeta to reduce the volatility in their portfolios, to try to increase alpha in their portfolios, get higher dividend yield. Well, you don't get that out of, if you will, traditional passive products like products based on Russell 1000, Russell 2000, and so on. You get that out of an active fund normally. So it's clear that financial advisors are looking at SmartBeta for active results, if you will, in their portfolios.
Well, you know what's interesting? Active has been a little bit out of favor, and long-only stocks, bonds have worked very well in the last 6 years. But I think advisors are feeling a little pressure as they've maybe moved away from actively managed mutual funds to long-only stock ETFs, bond ETFs, and now we're looking for a little bit of support in areas like volatility, like dividends that you talk about. Does your research say that?
Oh, indeed. In fact, the most common products that financial advisors are using are dividend, low volatility, equal weight, fundamental, so the products that you would normally think of as SmartBeta. And SmartBeta actually has been around for a long time, right? We're celebrating our 10th year anniversary with PowerShares on FTSE Russell PowerShares ETFs, right? As an example. So the products have been around for a long time, and they're really now getting adopted into financial advisors' portfolios.
Can you touch base on institutional adoption at all? Because I know you have great relationships on the institutional side. Are we seeing some of the same?
We are seeing some of the same. In fact, we've done a separate piece of research with institutions both here and in continental Europe, and very wide, broad adoption of products based on SmartBeta indexes. So for example, we have a great relationship with research affiliates on FTSE Russell and Russell Fundamental. There's $80 billion in assets following those products. And it's just amazing adoption. And some of those products are in ETFs, some of those products in mutual funds, but a lot of those products are in big institutions, separately managed accounts.
Well, I know the recent combination of FTSE and Russell has been really exciting for you and your collective team. The index business is alive and well, and not only are you partnering with more companies, but you're also creating dynamic indexes yourself.
Indeed we are. And in fact, when you look at this research, the new innovative technologies that financial advisors are now looking for and are interested in is multi-factor. So we've got several new multi-factor indexes that we've launched, and of course there's ETFs on them. So O-Shares launched a few products over the summer. So brand new products that are multi-factor that have a dividend benefit to them.
And O-Shares, that's Kevin from
Mr. Wonderful from Shark Tank. Indeed, that's exactly who it is. Indeed. So
what does the ETF business come to? I tell you, isn't that great? We're a celebrity, but again, he's a seasoned investor as well, using his mutual fund strategy, now partnering with you folks to create ETFs. It couldn't be better.
Well, that's what financial advisors are looking for. As you mentioned, a move away from active to SmartBeta, as we were discussing earlier. They're looking for rules-based, if you will, performance. I don't want to have to worry about manager style drift. I want rules-based performance, and you're getting that with SmartBeta indexes. And so I mentioned we're working with O-Shares. JP Morgan just launched a new product today based on our Russell 1000 Diversified Factor Index, and we've got new products coming out pretty soon with Deutsche Bank.
Well, future's so bright, got to wear shades, right?
Fantastic.
Great seeing you again.
Thank
Thanks
you
so
so
much.
much. Always a
Thank you.
pleasure.
Thank you.